everyone, it is Jessica with PlanIt Southern, and in today's video it is another plan with me, and we are planning out week 13. And most of my stickers, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, either I made myself or I got them from the Planner Society. I subscribe to the Box Society sticker kit, so I use that. Also, I get stickers from Little Red Prints, and I believe I used them in this video. So, it's been a while since I filmed it, but I believe I used them. So this is just a sheet of headers that I made from another kit. I ran out of headers that matched the stickers that I had made. So that's why I'm using these. And they're just cute. They're just color shades of pink, grays. I'm putting to do and today stickers down, and then I'm going to use some check boxes from the Planner Society and some half boxes from the Planner Society, and use those here at the bottom for my cleaning checklist. So I'm going to go ahead and just let the music play and you guys enjoy this week's plan with me. If you have any questions about anything that I used, check the description box. I will put links to everything down there. And if you have any questions and you don't see it in the description box, just leave me a comment. I would love to know what you thought about this video, and if you have any suggestions or any requests for video for the future. So leave those down below as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade.